Welcome back to our walking tour of the Eternal City. In part 2, we leave the ancient ruins behind to explore Rome's Baroque and Renaissance heart. We begin at the Piazza di Spagna, home to the world-famous Spanish Steps, a masterpiece of 18th-century urban design. These 135 steps have long been a gathering place for artists, poets, and travelers from around the globe. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. At the foot of the steps lies the Keats Shelley House, where the great English romantic poet John Keats spent his final days. Leading away from the steps is Via Condotti, Rome's most prestigious shopping street, home to the world's most iconic fashion houses. We navigate the charming, narrow alleys of the historic center as we approach one of the city's most beloved landmarks. The Trevi Fountain, a Baroque masterpiece of stone and water dominating the small square with its sheer scale and beauty. Designed by Nicola Salvi, the fountain tells the story of the discovery of the spring that still feeds it today. Legend says that tossing a coin into the fountain ensures your return to the Eternal City. Have you made your wish yet? I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Our journey continues toward the Piazza della Rotonda, where we encounter the most well-preserved monument of ancient Rome, the Pantheon. Built originally as a temple to all gods, it has stood as a testament to architectural genius for nearly 2,000 years. Step inside to witness the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. The oculus at the center is the building's only source of natural light. The floor remains original, a beautiful mosaic of marble that has felt the footsteps of emperors and pilgrims alike. We are on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers to share more of these journeys with you. Join our community today. Next, we arrive at Piazza Navona, a theatrical stage of Baroque architecture and vibrant Roman life. At its center stands Bernini's masterpiece, the Fountain of the Four Rivers, topped by a towering Egyptian obelisk. Overlooking the square is the Sant'Agnese in Agone, a stunning example of high Baroque architecture. Nearby, the Campo de' Fiori market offers a taste of authentic Roman daily life, bustling with colors and scents. The square is dominated by the somber statue of philosopher Giordano Bruno, reminding us of the city's complex history. Crossing the Tiber on the Ponte Sisto, we catch our first glimpse of the Dome of St. Peter's on the horizon. Our final stop for today is the Castel Sant'Angelo, originally built as a mausoleum for Emperor Hadrian. The bridge leading to the fortress is lined with magnificent angels, each carrying a symbol of the Passion. In part 3, we'll cross the river into the Vatican and explore the charming district of Trastevere. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.